Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. This is the girlfriend's 2022 Crosstrek, so it's been about 4 years and the battery is starting to die on us pretty often. I'm comfortable working on my Outback and hopefully this is pretty similar, but I'm still gonna go do some research right now to see if there's anything I am missing. Does not start. Okay, I really like this video by Patrick. Always enjoy seeing smaller channels like mine. We need a 10mm. Also watch out for the auto start stop system. We will get a AGM or EFB battery. Let's go take it out. I took the negative terminal off first and then the positive. Everything is a 10mm, 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 10mm. The two J hooks, I needed a deeper socket to reach. Let's get that out and go shopping. This is the one we're going with. It was about $200. The heat shield should fit no problem. These J hooks, one is longer than the other. I cleaned up the area a little bit before putting it in. There was some leaves in there. The shorter one goes back here. The longer one goes in there. Let's get it installed. Everything is nice and snug. I made sure to do the positive and then the negative during the installation. Moment of truth. Hopefully this starts. Key goes in. Nice. Video 327 done.